Good morning, babes. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya, and today's video is going to be a day in my life. I just got up, so let's do my morning routine and then head to the gym. I'm watching Alexandra Rodriguez. She used to be known as Learning to Be Fearless. I don't know if you guys know her. She just dyed her hair burgundy, so I'm about to watch her video. Okay, I'm done with my skincare for the morning. I did more than I usually do on a normal day. I don't know why I went so hard today, but I feel nice and moisturized. My hair is slicked back. I'm gonna go put on some workout clothes. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna wear. So let's go do that. I am having such a slow start to my day, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear to the gym. Usually I like to figure it out, and that just isn't what happened today. So I'm trying to get an outfit together. I think I'm gonna wear Julia, which is my girlfriend. I think I'm going to wear her leggings. These are the Yogalicious leggings in medium. I'm gonna wear these. They have like little pockets on the side. And then I have a campaign with Glamorise. They sent me over these 3 bras, and I'm gonna make some content for them. But I'm gonna show you guys some of the bras. So this is the first bra. So they're all about having bras, they're all about providing bras for big chested women. So I'm a double D. I often don't have enough support at the gym. So this is one of the bras. I wore this one already. I definitely feel like it kept me in tight. It was like a little tight, you know, which could have been like me, my sizing. But it wasn't bad at all. So make sure you pay attention to your sizing. And I got all sports bras. Let's look at this next one. Okay, so this is the one. Oh, I think this one is so freaking cute. So it is like a zip up in the front, and then it has like this really pretty back. So it has like the straps in the back, which keep you super supported, and it has like a little bra clasp. Let me show you guys. Little bra clasp in the back, so cute. So we might wear this one today. I think this is the one we're gonna wear. But I also got this one in nude. This one in nude, super cute. So it's just like the other one, but it is in nude, so it keeps you super supported, all that good stuff. I'm gonna be doing some content with this, so make sure you guys are following me on my other platforms so you guys can see it. But today we're gonna do the front clasp one. We're gonna do this, and then I'm thinking the black leggings, and I need a shirt. Okay, we're gonna just do this. I think we're just gonna go with this dark black, like almost dark gray, almost black shirt. Got these from Amazon. I'll also link this below. This is a set. It comes with like 3 or 4 sets of different shirts like this. So let's get dressed. Okay, so this is what it looks like on without any shirt or anything. I'm gonna show you in the mirror. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very cute, very sleek. I definitely can't wait to take some pictures and some reels in this. I really like this. I'm debating on if I want to even go with a shirt on top. I think I am, just because I'm probably gonna go walk Kai after, but super cute. I don't know if I've ever explained the concept of me being in my Apple Watch era, but me being in my Apple Watch era is basically means that I have my shit together. I'm tracking my steps, which means I'm getting movement in, I'm paying attention to the time. I'm just like that girl. I'm in my evolving era, you know, and I love that for me. I'm gonna take this little hand lotion that I got from Dove. My girlfriend got it for me, and then I just put it on because my hands get so dry after I wash them. But I am about to go, so let's go to the gym. Okay, so I just got done with my workout. So I tried to do like the 12-3-30, but I started like drenching in sweat and it was just too hard. So then I did like a variation. I did like 6-3-30 or 20 or whatever. So I don't know, I just kept like doing whatever worked for me. So I did that for 20 minutes and then I did weights, and I did a new thing today. So when on like the pull bar, like I think it's called like a lap bar, I did 55 pounds. I started at 25 and then I worked myself to 40 and then I hit 55. So I'm really proud of myself for that. I'm still doing 25 on the ones that go like this, but I feel so proud of myself. So yeah, I'm gonna make breakfast really quickly. Actually, I think I'm just gonna shower first. I'm gonna shower first and then I'm gonna make breakfast. And yeah, I have some new products from Lush. Lush sent me over a bunch of different products, and chef's kiss, love Lush. I'm using the Honey I Wash the Kids body wash. I literally only used to use Dove, but I read that like Dove kind of like, I don't know, I read that like some of the body washes can cause some problems downstairs, and I was using the sensitive skin one, and I decided to switch over to the Lush one, and I've been loving it. It smells so good, it lathers so nicely, so that's what I use now. I want to down this water before I head into the shower. I have a lot of work stuff to do today, so yeah, let's go. Done. Okay, I'm gonna fill this up and, like I said, take a shower and make breakfast. So let's go. Okay, so here's my breakfast. I had some leftover rice, so I just added some seasonings and some butter and olive oil, some soy sauce, and then I've got some eggs and a mango. I have really been trying to like increase my fiber more because it's really good for you. So I'm going to try to like increase the amount of fruits and vegetables that I have in my meals. Today we don't have any, well, this meal doesn't have any vegetables, but it does have fruit, so that's good. And I'm listening to this book in a series. This one is called Nevermore. It's like the Trials of Morgan Crow. So I finished that book last week, and then I'm reading the second book, which is called Wondersmith, The Calling of Morgan Crow. Love it. So I have like 4 hours and 19 minutes left. The goal is not to finish it today. Hopefully like later on in the week I'll finish it. But I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna get started on work. It's 11:46, so it's a little bit later than normal, but let's get to it. Okay, so I called myself cheating the system and brewing a pot of coffee and pouring it in like our empty container of this. This is horrible. It's bad. It's not good. It's terrible. So I'm just gonna like brew myself a fresh cup of coffee, a fresh pot of coffee, and yeah, this is so bad. Why is it so bad? I don't know. It's terrible. I'm gonna try again though. Okay, so I have my coffee to right here, and I am working on a few projects right now. I think I'm gonna try to edit a video really quickly and like probably start editing this one right now. But I was doing some research on blogging, so if you guys don't know, I have a blog, simplyxmaya.com. I'm really trying to like get into blogging because I feel like that makes sense. Like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, I don't own any of those platforms, so anything could happen with the algorithm. Like literally like what we see on Instagram, I literally have over 5,000 followers, but I only probably have like maybe like 1,000 or 2,000 that's engaged, and those are like rotatingly engaged because of how much Instagram like shows your content, you know. So I don't know, I really like believe in having my own blog and like growing the viewership on there, because that's something that I own and no one can take that away from me. Like I own that website, I own that email list, so that's what I'm working on. And I'm just really trying to figure out how to get more people to view my blog. So I've been debating on getting a course, and I'm thinking about getting the Perfecting Pinterest course by Sophia Lee Blogging. She has like literally over 700,000 monthly views on her blog, which is like wild. She literally makes over 7 figures. Over 7 figures a month. Like, I mean, not a month. It's over 7-figure business. That's crazy. So yeah, I want to be on even half of Sophia Lee's level would be great. And then there's this other one that's in the blogging community called Pinterest Traffic Avalanche, which is like another one that's supposed to really help you increase your Pinterest traffic to your blog. And even though I've seen Pinterest Traffic Avalanche like promoted more, I think in me is telling me that that course worked a lot better in like 2018, 2019 and before then. But Pinterest has changed so much as a platform since then, and it's changing so much now. And so I went to go look at the creators of that course, and they're not even doing great. Like, I think I have about the same monthly views as them. And monthly views is not like on your Pinterest monthly views is not the same as monthly views on your blog, like actual outbound clicks. So I'm trying to get like clicks onto my actual blog, and Sophia Lee does over 10 million a month. So like to this day. So I'm like, I think I'm gonna go with her course. They're both about the same price, but I'm like not really getting any views on my blog right now, and I need to see a difference soon so that I can start making money from it, and it can be like, you know, good source for me. So I have to do that. I also have to, so I'm gonna have to do like research on that. I think I've like pretty much decided that I'm gonna go with perfecting Pinterest. I need to finish these tasks so that I can start filming for today. I have a couple of TikToks like short form videos that I need to do, and I have some stuff with brands that I need to do, so I just need to hop on that like ace. So I'm gonna be doing that, and I'll update you guys once more is done. I'm also eating this almond butter. Oh my god, I love this. It's from Nature Valley. I did not like Nature Valley's like normal like biscuits or product. I don't know what it is, because it would like crumble and I feel like it didn't have much taste. But this with my coffee is such a good little snack. So I'm gonna finish this, and I'll be back once there's more to do, more to talk about filming. So yeah, let's go. Oh, I forgot that I have a therapy appointment, and I was trying to start editing my vlog, and then I realized that I don't know where the cord is that I use, so I just ordered another one because I just don't want to have to be worried about where it is. So I ordered another one, and I'll get to start editing like Wednesday or Thursday or so. So I'm gonna hop on this call, and then I'm going to start filming. So hopefully this therapy session goes well. Still got my coffee, but I need to drink a bit more. Oh, I just finished filming 2 different reels. I did one trying out the new translucent, or trying out the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and then I did another one talking about like some fashion news. So head to my TikTok. But y'all, I tried out the, let me show you guys. I tried out this Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I don't like it very much so far. I need to try it out with like different brushes. I use a beauty blender, which I usually use for my makeup and like my setting powder, but I just didn't like it. I also didn't do like a full face. Like I just did a little bit of foundation and concealer, and I only like spot corrected with my foundation. So I didn't go like, you know, ham like I would. So I'm gonna keep testing it out and seeing how I feel about it, and I'll do an update if I change my mind. But I'm not loving it so far. Like, it just looks okay. Like, what do you guys think? Like, it looks good. Sorry y'all, my camera battery died, but yeah, like my makeup does look good. Like, I don't think the setting powder looks horrible. I don't think it looks bad, but I don't think it looks as good as it could. So, or as like my other setting powders do. I don't know, I feel neutral. Like, I feel like on one hand it doesn't look as good as some of my other powders. On the other hand, I feel like it looks similar to some of them, but it's just not as, like, it's not worth it. Like, it's like $40. So yeah, check out my review. Hey guys, so it is so much later. I ended up finishing my book. That was not the plan. I was not supposed to finish it today, but it was so good. I rated it 5 stars. I'll have it linked in the description box below. My partner Julia, she came home and fell asleep. We were supposed to make dinner, but that's not gonna happen. It's okay, she's sleeping. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner, but I'm gonna close out the vlog right now. I'm gonna be trying to vlog a lot more, so make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you can keep up with all of my vlogs, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye babes.